In this tutorial, we'll take a look at a method of paying employees called commission. And commission is when a worker, and it's usually a salesperson, is paid a certain percentage of what they sell. If all the wage is only based on a percentage of sales, it's called a straight commission. Now, if a salesperson is paid some kind of a base salary, so they get a certain amount of money no matter if they sell a lot or not, or if they're sick, then the base salary and in addition to that a commission is called salary plus commission. So they have some kind of a fixed amount, and if they sell, then they get more. So that's the commission part. So the nice thing about the salary plus commission is if sales are down or if the salesperson's sick and they can't work, then they still have a base salary. They wouldn't make nothing. And in a way, commission is quite similar to piecework. Since a person gets paid according to the work they accomplish, that's the piecework, okay? And there's a clear motive to make more. So that's the piecework. If you're making more things, you get paid more. If you sell more commission, then you earn more money as well. So they are kind of similar. So a couple of examples, one on this page, one on the next. And the first one here says Deborah works as a sales clerk in a clothing store. She's paid a base salary of $300 plus 5% commission on all sales for each week. So it says if she sells $3,700 worth of clothing in a week, what does she earn? So we start with the base salary. She earns, no matter how much she sells, she has this base salary of $300. And so we're going to add to that the amount she's going to earn from her commission. So the commission, we calculate she earns 5% of the $3,700. So now 5%, if you forget how to convert a percentage to a decimal, remember you divide it by 100. So that's 5% as a decimal. So this 0.05, we're going to multiply by $3,700. So that's going to be her commission amount, $185. So you'll see that come up in the PowerPoint now. So we're multiplying 0.05, that's 5%, by the $3,700, and that gave us $185. So that's her commission part. So her total salary is her base salary plus this, so we're going to add these together. And if we add 300 to 185, we get $485. So that's how much Deborah makes in a week, or in the week that she sells $3,700. Of course, another week she sells a different amount, she'll earn a different amount. Okay, one last example. Danny is a used car salesman. His sales for the week are given below. He has no base salary. He is just paid a commission of 2% on all sales. So notice that he does only work 4 days, and we don't worry, but it's not a 5-day work week. You know, maybe another week he works 6 days. So we're given these days here, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday when he works, and those are the sales figures for each of the 4 days. Now we could find 2% of this, and 2% of this, and 2% of this, and 2% of this, and add those up, and that would be his commission for the week. But it would be easier just to find his total sales, to add those 4 numbers up. So if we add those 4 values up, then his total sales for the week, he has sold $34,915. So we really need to just take 2% of this, and that will be his commission and what he's going to earn. So 2% would be 0.02, and again, if you remember, if you forget, percent means out of 100, so that's why we're dividing the 2 by 100. So there's the 0.02. So 0.02 times the 34,915. So that's how much he's making, $698.3, which is $698.30. So that's how much he earns a commission for those 4 days' work. And that's the end of the tutorial.